Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to charge an ultrasonic wristband. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly charge an ultrasonic wristband here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So most ultrasonic wristbands here come with a USB charging port. So you may need to look around the wristband to find where the charging cable connects. So usually it is going to be on the side or underside of the device. So depending on the model. But yeah, so you want to make sure that the USB you're using or using the USB charging cable that came with the wristband is the one that you'll be using for charging to basically make sure that your wristband is getting enough charge. And also, if you've lost it, you want to check the manual or manufacturer's website to find a compatible replacement. Now, in this case, if you can't find the actual micro USB port here, it might be hidden under the rubber casing here, as you can see. So you may need to move it on the side a bit just to see, so that you should be able to see the actual port. Now, from then on, you want to plug the USB end of the cable into the power adapter or a USB port on a computer, depending on what is available for you at that moment. Now, you want to ensure the connection is secure so the device charges properly here. And typically, charging time here for an ultrasonic wristband is around like 5 hours. So after this, the battery should be fully charged and ready for use. Now, once charged, the wristband can usually last up to a week, depending on usage frequency and model. And some of those may have battery indicators to show when it's fully charged. You may want to check the manual for details. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.